Of course, our very own Barley Queen nandito na po!
Napakaganda as always. There you go. Radiating so much youth and beauty lagi. Go ahead, Sir Alan.
Yes, and of course, gusto ko magpasalamat mo especially to Sir Alan, of course, to Miss Hannah and Miss Aida. And sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa I Worldwide, and to all the winners and who are keeping their loyalty to the brand, thank you so much.
Thank you din. At pinakilig mo kaming lahat. My goodness, double kilig. Grabe yung goosebumps mo yun. Ayaw nang bumaba ng
Sabi naman ko
goosebumps
yung nakita ko yung reaction mo pag pasok niya.
Sobrang nagulat ako. Kayo nagulat ba? Ay, grabe. Take this opportunity, by the way, of course, to take photos. Ang hashtag natin.
I am Dominic and I am an anniversary.
Correct.